Meaning of envision.
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 Envision. Envision means to imagine or visualize something that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. It involves the ability to form a mental image of a future or hypothetical situation. This can be a powerful tool for goal setting, problem solving, and creative thinking. When we envision a desired outcome, we are better able to plan and take action towards achieving it. By visualizing success, we are better equipped to overcome obstacles and challenges along the way. Overall, envisioning helps us create a clear picture of what we want and motivates us to work towards making it a reality.